Hey everyone, welcome back. If an app isn't able to save files, download media, or access photos and videos, it usually means storage permission is turned off. Let me guide you through the steps clearly with a bit more detail so you can follow along easily. Step 1. Open Settings. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Take a moment here and scroll down slowly until you find the option called Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your phone. Step 2. Select the app. Next, tap on Apps to see the list of installed apps. Scroll through the list and find the app that needs storage access. Once you find it, tap on the app name to open its app info page. Step 3. Open Permissions. Now, on the app info screen, look for Permissions and tap on it. This section shows all the permissions that app can request or use. Step 4. Find Storage Permission. After that, you'll see a list of permissions like camera, microphone, and location. Look for storage or files and media. The wording may change slightly depending on your Android version. Step 5. Allow storage access. Now tap on the storage or files and media option. You'll see choices like allow, allow only while using the app, or don't allow. Select allow so the app can access photos, videos, and files on your device. Step 6. Confirm permission is enabled. Once selected, go back one step and double-check that storage access is now enabled. The app should now work properly when saving or opening files. And yeah, that's it. You've successfully enabled storage permission for the app. You can use the same steps anytime to manage permissions and control what data apps can access on your Android phone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy Android tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you need help with another setting.